Let's say you want to add transition between these two clips. To do that, go to FX library, go to Toolbox, drop down, Video Transitions, and over here you can see the transitions. Now just drag the transition and drop it in the middle, and if I click play, you will see the transition. You can go and click on the transition, and over here in the transition panel up here, you will see the transition type. You can choose the transition type over here also. You can change the duration, frames, alignment, direction, border, color, and so on. And this is it. This is how you use transitions in DaVinci Resolve. Pretty easy, right? If you find this video helpful, please comment down below and drop some likes. Thanks. Bye bye.